peace of mind comes in many forms. It's knowing you can get up and down the stairs you own. It's regaining your independence. It's feeling secure each and every time you ride your Pinnacle stairlift, knowing you don't have to worry about power outages or about parking it precisely at a specific spot on the track. It's knowing you've made the best decision and acquired the right stairlift for you. It's the feeling you get when you own a Pinnacle stairlift from Harmar Summit. In today's economy, stretching your dollars is important, and a Pinnacle stairway lift can be an economical alternative to moving. The Pinnacle is a stylish, slim design stairlift. In fact, it's the most compact model on the market, folding to within just 11 inches off the wall. Its track is only 6.5 inches wide, leaving plenty of room for everyone to use the stairs. Elegantly designed, the clean lines and neutral beige tones augment one of your 4 attractive upholstery options. One is ideal for your decor. You'll enjoy the large, easy-to-use, constant pressure rocker controls on the armrest that deliver smooth starts and stops. It can be installed on the left or right-hand side, your choice. While very sleek in design, the Pinnacle has a very sturdy 350-pound capacity for added security. It features a wide, comfortable seat that swivels at the top landing to aid in getting on and off the lift. The footrest hugs the floor, and the seat height can be adjusted to provide a higher degree of comfort. For added convenience, wireless remote call-send controls enable you to call or send the lift to either landing. Safety sensors prevent the lift from running if the seat is not in the proper position or if something blocks the stairway or track. In either case, put the seat in the proper position or remove the obstacle and your Pinnacle is running again. One of the main benefits Pinnacle owners enjoy is the added number of trips you get out of one battery charge in the event of a power outage. Other lifts are lucky if they give you 10 or 15 trips. The Pinnacle will give you in the range of 40. How? It's all in the revolutionary drive system. The patented worm drive system is so efficient it uses less power, and that translates into more trips for you. The Pinnacle also has another significant advantage over other battery-powered lifts. It charges its battery anywhere within the top or bottom 3 feet of the track. With other lifts, if you don't park it precisely on the charging pins, you may end up with a dead lift. The Pinnacle runs off standard household current and can also be installed on either side of the stairway. It can travel up to 75 feet, requires no lubrication. This made right here in America.